Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Harusame salad. Harusame salad is glass noodle salad. This was my favorite school lunch menu when I was an elementary school kid. So this is kind of nostalgic food for me. Now I make this for my two elementary school kids and they love it too. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Harusame salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 100 gram Harusame glass noodles, 100 to 200 gram ham, 2 cucumber, 4 tablespoons Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. At first, I'm going to rehydrate the glass noodles by following the instruction on the package. And this is an instant, quick cook type glass noodle, so it says I just need to soak this in hot water for 3 minutes. So let's do that. Glass noodles into the bowl. And hot water, enough to soak the glass noodles. Give it a stir so that they release. And let's just leave this for 3 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut the other 2 ingredients. So cucumber first. Cut both ends off. And I want to make it into thin strips. So make thin diagonal slices first. Then into strips. Let's do the same for the other one. When I put them all together, these seasonings will bring out the moisture from the cucumber and will dilute the seasonings. So I want to remove as much moisture as possible here. So let's put the cucumber in the bowl. Put some salt, about 1 teaspoon. Give it a mix. And leave this for a few minutes. Let's slice ham. You just need to slice it thinly. By now, glass noodles should be rehydrated. So let's drain and rinse it well using cold water. So I have a strainer here in the sink. Drain the noodles. And let's rinse it with cold water. The glass noodle is very long and difficult to eat, so let's cut it. So it's shorter and easier to eat. Let's put it back into the strainer. And press it down really well to remove all the excess water. You can go aggressive like this. So this was drained already, but this much water came out. It's time to put them all together. So glass noodles, ham, and cucumber as you squeeze it really well. So take some, squeeze it really well. Like this and into the bowl. A lot of water came out from the cucumber. 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise if available. 1 teaspoon soy sauce for nice aroma. Some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Serve in the bowl. And Harusame salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The cucumber is doing a great job texture-wise and it's delicious. My kids will be very happy to find out that I made this today. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Harusame salad is a side dish, so it goes here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. You can have anything you like for the main dish, but how about soy sauce and butter salmon? Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!